Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to grade 4. I hope you all are fine. It's your math class. I am your math teacher, Miss Saima. This is the title page of your book, Oxford New Count Book 4, 3rd edition. The contents of your book are on page number 4. Today's lecture we will discuss some topics related to your chapter number 2, factors and multiples. Page number 19, chapter number 2, factors and multiples. First we will discuss what are factors and what are multiples. Factors: a factor that divides a given number without leaving a remainder. For example, the given number is 10. 2 completely divides 10 and there is no remainder at the end. So 2 is factor of 10. Multiples. Multiple is a number obtained by multiplying a given number by another. For example, given number is 2. Multiply 2 with different numbers 1, 2, 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. The obtained numbers 2, 4, 6 are called multiples of 2 because we multiply 2 with different numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Page number 20. First topic is test of divisibility. Second topic is rules of divisibility. These rules help us to find out if one number is divisible by another number or not. There are 4 rules: rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3 and rule number 4. Rule number 1. Any number with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the unit place is also known as ones place, is divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, take a number 46. The number at the unit place is 6. 6 is an even number and also 6 is divisible by 2. So the number at the unit place is even and also divisible by 2. Then whole number is also divisible by 2. Rule number 2. If the digits of any number add up to a number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. For example, 135. The digits of 135 is 1, 3, 5. Add up these digits. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. If the sum of these digits is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Rule number 3. Any number with 0 or 5 at the unit place is divisible by 5. For example, 20. The number at the unit place is 0, so 20 is divisible by 5. Number at the unit place is 5, so the whole number is also divisible by 5. Rule number 4. Any number with 0 at the unit place is divisible by 10. For example, 100. The number at the unit place is 0, so this original number 100 is also divisible by 10. Take another example, 200. The number at the unit place is again 0, so the original number 200 is also divisible by 10. Examples. One example is 138 divisible by 2. In this example, we check the divisibility of 138 by using a table 2. 138. The number at the unit place is 8. 8 is even and 8 is also divisible by 2. So the original number 138 is divisible by 2. The solution is yes, because 138 is an even number and it has 8 at its unit place. 8 is even and also divisible by 2. So according to rule number 1, it is divisible by 2. Example 2 is 105 divisible by 3. In this example, we will check the divisibility of 105 by using a table 3. Solution is add the digits. The digits are 105. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is equals to 6. The answer of these digits is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. If the answer of these digits is divisible by 3, then the original number 105 is also divisible by 3.